सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम सीखेंगे डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट सेवेंथ एट्थ स्टैंडर्ड का हाफ पर्सन पार्ट। सो व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच? एक्सट्रैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ अ स्पीकर are but within and spoken words begin with the capital letters. This way of reporting a speech is called direct speech. Chalo, for example, Rahul said I visit the library. So this is a direct speech. Rahul directly said that Rahul said I visit to the library. Directly he said. So in indirect speech, in indirect sentence, when reporter words are not put within where are introduced by the conjunctions that are the certain other changes are also made. This way of reporting a speech is called indirect speech. For example, Rahul said that he visited the library. What is indirect? Rahul said. Now, how in direct speech Rahul said, I visit a library in a direct way. But here Rahul is saying, Rahul said that he visited the library. Visit the library and he visit to the library, that he visited the library. So in the indirect way, if the indirect way is in past, present or future, then no problem. But if it is not in that words, then it is the problem. Then how to solve that? Now we have to not solve as a math. Okay, this is very easy. See, the verb that reports the word of the speaker is called reporting verb. Okay, so verb which reports the words of the speaker is called reporting verb. In the above sentence, the reporting verb is said. So said is what? Reporting verb. The direct speech, the words are marked off by is introduced commas, and the reporting verb said, say, told, tell, etc. is separated from the actual word by comma. Means what? In the above sentence, in indirect sentence, is separated. Means what? It is separated from the actual words of the comma. Rules of changing the direct to indirect speech. What are rules to change direct to indirect speech? Changes in the tense of the verb of the direct speech. Means what? Changes in the tense of the verb and in direct speech. If the reporting is in the present or in the future tense, the sentence of the verb is the indirect speech is not changed. Means what? Understand it very properly. If the reporting is in the present, मतलब कि क्या, if the reporting is in the present or in the future tense, the tense of the verb means what? If it is in present or in the future tense, the tense of the verb is the indirect speech is not changed. यानी कि what? The indirect speech is not changed. I told you before only. See the same. So for example, the little boy said, I am tired. So what the little boy is saying? I am tired. Same in the indirect speech will be what? The little boy says that he is tired. Now little boy says I am tired. The little boy says, till here you have to copy down. After the comma you have to change that he is tired. Indirect, someone other is saying that he is tired. The little boy says that he is tired. One more. The little boy said, I am tired. The boy have not written, but he have to write this boy. The little boy said, I am tired. It is in direct speech, but and said is what? Past tense, है ना? says is what? Present tense. Then what an indirect you will do? The little boy said that he was tired. Okay, third, Sanjay will say, I do not know the answer. So what Sanjay said, I don't know the answer, direct speech. But in indirect speech, it will be Sanjay will say that he does not know the answer. Means what Sanjay will say, that he does not know the answer. Second, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the following changes takes place in the tense of the verb in the indirect verb. यानी कि what? If the reporting verb is in the past tense, यानी कि means what? Reporting verb is in the past tense. Agar it is in the past tense, the following changes takes place in the tense. Means what? The following changes takes place in where? In the tense. The verb is indirect, so in which if the it is changing in indirect, if the reporting verb of the direct speech changes the following place of in the tense of the verb in indirect, yani ki in direct it is not happening, or in future you understand it is there not, but now it is not happening. In indirect speech it is not happening. I hope guys this was informative.